If you have bought a commercial property, built a new one, improved or renovated a leased property, or are in the process of doing any of the above, then it's very likely that you can reduce your tax liability. This is possible because when you spend money on a commercial property, part of that expenditure qualifies you for capital allowances. Capital allowances essentially mean a potential tax rebate and also future tax relief. The government encourages investment in commercial property by allowing you to claim capital allowances on certain assets so as to pay less tax. Some of the capital assets that you can claim for include heating and ventilation systems, electrical systems, sanitary ware and bathroom fixtures, security systems, cold water systems, lifts, swimming pools, bars, machinery and equipment, and much more besides. If this is the first time you've heard about this, it's because identifying your capital assets requires specialist surveying and taxation knowledge to identify and properly value those assets to be claimed. Your accountant knows a great deal, but most need a specialist for this. So we're here to work hand in hand with them and you to get the best possible outcomes. This should not be overlooked. We're potentially talking large savings which you are entitled to claim. Even our smallest claims have saved our clients tens of thousands of pounds, while larger claims can save hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pounds. Plus, there's very little for you to do yourself, and if we can't claim, there's no charge. So it's pretty hassle-free, except talk with the people in the know. So if you have one or more of the following: hotels, care or nursing homes, gyms, offices, pubs, restaurants, furnished holiday lets, industrial units, in fact any commercial property, you really should speak to the experts if you want to save money. And that's us, Curtis Plumstone Associates, the specialists in capital allowances claims. What's rather a dull subject for most is incredibly exciting for us. We'd love to find the pieces of the puzzle to unlock incredible returns for you and your business. For a free, no-obligation review, contact us on 0800 201 4539 or visit our website www.curtisplumstone.com to complete the free review form. And remember, if we can't make a claim for you, you simply have nothing to pay. Curtis Plumstone Associates. You've nothing to lose, but so much to gain.